Travel Payouts, the best CPA travel affiliate network. What is Travel Payout? Travel Payouts is the biggest travel-only affiliate platform, and it manages relationships between brands and affiliates worldwide. Travel Payouts provides a range of tools for our partners including API, white label solutions, mobile SDKs along with other features such as open social media communities. Travel Payout features are as follows. First, cookies last for 30 days in most programs. That means that your readers will still earn you commissions even if they make a purchase 30 days after clicking on your link. Second, every booking is reflected on one dashboard. Through the use of this powerful analytics software, you can always see how many sales and commission earnings on a given day. It is empowering to know that you have control over your income. Third, Travel Payouts has a unique affiliate tools that grow conversions. That means that your readers will still earn you commissions even if they make a purchase 30 days after clicking on your link. 4. At Travel Payouts, you get high commissions. On average, you'll get 3% of the price of a flight ticket, more than 5% when booking a hotel, and up to 12% for tour sales. 5. You get a single payout for all programs every month. Travel Payouts offers different ways to get your money: PayPal, WebMoney, Swift, and ePayments. You can choose how you want the money, and where you want it sent to. Pros. 1. Travel Payouts has a user-friendly interface. It is appealing and, at the same time, has all the information you need. 2. There are no charges for signing up. Third, with Travel Payouts, you can partner with well-known merchants such as Booking.com, Agoda, TripAdvisor, Trivago, and Kiwi.com. 4. You can take advantage of white label, mobile SDK, and API that allows you to build your own brand. 5. You can receive payouts to your electronic wallet with WebMoney or PayPal, as well as a bank transfer to your bank account. 6. 99% of requests from affiliate marketers are processed within an hour, and you are assigned a personal account manager ready to assist in promoting your website. Cons. First, the network only partners with advertisers in the travel niche. Second, it all depends on the payment method. You need to reach $50 to get paid through PayPal and $500 to request a bank transfer. Why Travel Payouts? First, most convenient sign-up. All you need to do is log in with your email, come up with a password, and voila! You've become a Travel Payouts partner. You can start using the network immediately, and confirm your account later once our confirmation email gets to your address. Second, interface is easy to use and a pleasure to look at. You can customize your dashboard by selecting a language you are comfortable working in, choosing which currency to use, and picking a theme. Third, promotional methods. You can make your own forms, matching the theme of your travel blog. You can customize colors, sizes, and fonts, everything. Alternatively, you could also use one of their pre-made options available there. How we earn with Travel Payouts. We will discuss this in the upcoming slide. First, with the help of a direct link. The easiest way to earn money is by using the link that Travel Payouts provides. You can either post text or a banner advertisement on their search engine. What's cool, though, is that you earn a commission from it if they use your ad and book through them. Second, add search forms. Travel Payouts offers plugins for WordPress that can help you easily create search forms on your blog. Whenever a customer fills out the form and makes any booking via it, you will earn money. Third, mobile application. You can easily link your blog to the Travel Payouts app for smartphones and tablets. When a reader clicks on that link, they'll be redirected straight away to their very own application on their phone or tablet, which will allow them download it if they don't already have it installed. You get a percentage cut from every payment made through your blog throughout the year. 4. By second-tier affiliation. You can also earn from the second-tier affiliates. If someone starts working with Travel Payouts after your recommendation and they are on this level of affiliate, you will earn 5% of what they make. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, visit our website, idealonlinebusiness.com.